What's up, Panda Nation? This is the Panda Photographer coming to you from Portland, Oregon at the Northwest Portland Hostel. Now, today is a very special day. Irix sent out my little gift package today. Now, I did pay for this with my own money, but Irix is kind enough to give me a discount for some of these stuff, so thank you, Irix, for making sure that I get my package a day before I was supposed to get it. I really do appreciate that. But for all you out there, please do subscribe to the channel. Please do like, share, leave your comments or your thoughts down in the comment section down below. You guys want to financially support the channel to keep the lights on here, there is a PayPal donation link. But also, I'm going to leave a link to the International Hostel's GoFundMe to help support their staff at this time of crisis. But with that said, let's get into the goodies, shall we? Now today, this is what I've been waiting for since April, and it finally got delivered by Irix. All this stuff was directly ordered from IrixUSA.com's website. So if you want your stuff at a probably decent time, and you want to let Irix know that you are a photographer, you purchase this lens, well, it's an easy way to get your warranty set up. I think this is the best way, directly from the lens manufacturer. Irix ND1000. This is gonna help with those long exposures a little bit. Not too much. I would have liked the 32, but you know, it's still a little bit out of my budget range. But look at that ND filter. Wow, that's a big ND filter. Man, 95. I think it's huge. That thing is not letting no light in. I can see the trees, but wow, just to get a long exposure, yeah. Nice. It feels great too. Like the build construction of this feels really nice, and it feels very premium. So, thank you, Irix. Now we also going to continue with another Irix package. Yes, boys and girls, we have a contender. We have the 11mm f4. This is the Firefly for the Canon version. Wow. The boxing should be the same as the 15, but let's go check it out. Alright. Ooh. That was a blooper. We're gonna keep that blooper in. Here is the tin can that it comes in. Very nice, Irix. I'm telling you, people, like literally, what manufacturer is doing this? It's like these unique packaging that they do. Look on the top, you can see just like a styrofoam vibration seal inside. That's premium. Alright, you get the lens bag like the 15 with the base that is hard, so your lens front element goes downward, so it protects. Make sure that your lens hood is actually on it. Wow, the styrofoam. Ooh. Here is the 11. I'm going to sit that down for a little second there. I want to show you guys how well protected the lens is inside. Take this out. One, you get an extra rear cap. You get a booklet. And you get a warranty card. And there's another anti-vibration base here, styrofoam based. You can take that out. Oh yeah, you can. Okay. And there's another one. Wow. Holy moly. Holy moly. Whoa. There's another one. Look, you can see it inside too. Wow, very well. This is like what you get in a $2,000 or Cine lens package, you know? But all this for like the lens and the ND filter for less than $620. Yeah. What do you guys think? You guys think this is like a steal? So let's check out the lens. All right. Put this down here. Put this over here. All right. Moment of truth. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that front element. Isn't that insanely gorgeous? Wow. Same as the 15. Weather seal. Has the rear gelatin filter option if you want to go that route, but you know, gelatins don't work well because they do show color shift. Yeah. Focusing. Oh, this one also got the hard stop at affinity, which is nice addition to a manual lens. But stiff, but pretty accurate. We won't be able to tell until we actually go out and shoot some photos, but it seems very smooth, very precise. Build construction is very amazing. Lens hood, and it seems like this lens hood does have a clip inside of the lens hood, of the lens mount as well. Here, see it? So basically, it has to go this way. Yeah. So yeah, this is the result. This is what Irix sent me. Thank you, Irix. I really do appreciate that. And I'll make sure I put that tin can to use. Put some stuff in it, because that's what I do. But wow, like I can build something with this stuff. But thank you guys for watching and taking the time out to see the unboxing of the Irix 11mm lens. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to support, like I said, links are down in the description below. You want to support the hostel for hosting this video and hosting me here, you can also do that as well. They have a GoFundMe. But yeah, I'm pretty grateful. You guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care and be good. Eat, sleep, photography, repeat. Peace.